Hello everyone and welcome to this session on Oracle SQL. Today we are going to cover three of the most important SQL command categories: DDL, DML and TCL. These are the building blocks of working with any Oracle database, whether you are a student, developer or database administrator. So let's get started. In SQL, commands are divided into different categories based on what they do. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. These commands define the structure of the database, like creating or modifying tables. DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. These commands let you add, change or delete data inside the tables. And TCL, or the Transaction Control Language, helps us manage transactions. It allows us to confirm or undo changes made with DML commands. Let's explore each one of them in more detail with practical examples. So here, let's begin with DDL commands. These are used to define and manage the structure of database objects such as tables, views, indexes, and so on. Some of the commonly used DDL commands are create, to create a new table or any object. Then we have the alter command to modify the existing structure, the drop command to delete an object completely, the truncate command, which is used to remove all the data from a table but keeps the structure. Now here, let's see the example. Here the table employees with the columns employee ID of type number, name of type varchar2, column name, salary of type number has been created. Okay, so this command here creates a new table called employees. Similarly, the second DDL example here is going to add a new column, that is department ID of type number, to the table. Then we have the another DDL command, that is drop table employees, which is going to delete the entire table. And then we have the truncate table employees, which is going to remove all records quickly while retaining the table structure. So these are the examples of the DML statements. Now, coming on to the DML commands. These commands deal with the data inside the database tables. They are insert command to add new records, update command to modify the existing records, the delete command to remove the records from the table. Unlike DDL, DML commands are not auto-committed. You must explicitly commit the changes using a TCL command, or you can roll back if needed. Now, coming to the examples, here the command insert into employees with the values 101, John Doe and 50,000. This set of values will be added to a new employee. Then we have the update command, which is going to update the salary for the employee number 101. We have another DML command, that is delete, which is going to delete the employee whose employee ID is 101. Just keep in your mind that these changes are only stored permanently when you use a commit statement. Until then, you can undo them using the rollback. Now coming on to the TCL commands, which are used to manage the transactions. Now, what is the transaction? The transaction is a group of one or more DML operations that are treated as a single unit. TCL commands help you control how and when these changes are saved. So the main TCL commands are commit, which saves the changes permanently, rollback, which undoes the changes since the last commit, SAVEPOINT sets a temporary marker inside a transaction so you can roll back to that point if required. Now let's see a few examples based on the TCL. Here in the first example, we insert a record and we create a save point. Okay. Now, after creating the save point, we have updated the salary for the employee number 102. Now we change our mind and we issue the statement rollback to the save point that we have created here. So this statement will undo just the update but not the insert statement. And finally, you have this commit statement here, which is going to save the insert permanently into the database. So let's quickly summarize whatever we have learned. We use the DDL commands to create or modify database objects. These changes are immediate and cannot be rolled back. We use the DML commands to add, update, or delete data, but don't forget to commit when you are done with the DML statement. Use the TCL commands to manage transactions and control how and when the changes are saved. Thanks for watching this video.